In the shadows of an early Burgundian sunrise, Meursault whispers secrets of the earth, capturing the essence of ethereal aromas and flavors pioneered from its sacred terrains. As daybreak caresses vine-veiled landscapes, hints of truffle, honey, and toasted almonds melt into the air, a prelude to the symphony of senses offered by Meursault's wines. This quiet village, cloaked in historical reverence and contemporary allure, finds its soul in the artistry of Chardonnay, creating a profile so distinctive that it commands global recognition and respect from connoisseurs and novices alike. With each glass comes a story, a narrative richly woven from the fabric of time and terrain. Meursault, a name that resonates with antiquity and tradition, has been a focal point of winemaking excellence since the Roman era. Its evolution from a medieval agrarian village to a bastion of viticultural innovation illustrates a chronicle of human endeavor intertwined with natural endowment. Historians often note the first mention of Meursault in documents dating back to 1098, an era when vineyards were predominantly managed by monks. These ecclesiastical vintners not only refined the local winemaking techniques, but also established the early narrative that Meursault's terroir was uniquely suited for extraordinary wine production. This formidable combination of history and tradition forms the bedrock upon which the modern acclaim of Meursault wines rests. It is a tale not merely of soil and grape, but of human passion and perseverance that transcends centuries. The concept of terroir offers something of a spiritual understanding in Meursault, where the confluence of limestone-rich soils, meticulous vine management, and the region's unique microclimate coalesce to create wines of unmatched complexity. In the vineyards, Chardonnay grapes receive the minerality and nutrients necessary for transcending ordinary expression. Here, the magic unfolds beneath the surface, in soils layered with marl and calcareous clay, giving the wines their renowned creamy texture and profound depth. The infamous climats, small plots of land uniquely classified in Burgundy, emphasize the nuances between Meursault's wines, from plot to plot. Understanding these subtleties allows vintners and wine enthusiasts alike to appreciate the diversity and individuality of each vineyard's yield, further elevating Meursault's status in the wine world. Meursault boasts an array of vineyards that have become almost as legendary as the village itself. Names such as Les Perrières or Les Genévrières and Charmes resonate through the corridors of wine history as sources of some of the most sought-after white wines globally. In tasting notes, one finds descriptors that range from lime and green apple through to more opulent butter, hazelnut, and flint, all interwoven with a resonant acidity that balances the richness. Les Perrières, in particular, often offers a striking minerality that can evoke a near-palpable sense of the earth. Each wine tells a piece of Meursault's story, offering a lens not only into the vineyard's history, but also the careful crafting that defines its present and future. Wines from Meursault are not just consumed, they are experienced and revered. The integration of Meursault wines into the fabric of modern gastronomy is both a celebration of flavor and a testament to their versatility and charm. Renowned chefs from around the world treasure these wines for their capacity to enhance and transform culinary creations. Imagine a dish of seared scallops with a creamy leek sauce, perfectly complemented by a glass of Meursault, where the wine's vibrant acidity and rich texture marry seamlessly with the sweetness of the scallops and the depth of the sauce. Discussion of food and wine pairings with Meursault often turns into spirited debates among chefs and sommeliers, each eager to explore and advocate for the profound impact these wines can have when matched thoughtfully with food. Visiting Meursault is akin to stepping into a living museum where every stone, vine, and wine glass tells a story. For those planning a journey to this storied village, opportunities abound to delve deep into the wine culture. Whether it's touring the vineyards, tasting at local cellars, or engaging with vintners who share their craft and history, a trip to Meursault offers an enriching and full-bodied experience. The village is not just a destination, It is an education in the elegance and intricacies of fine winemaking. Indeed, Meursault provides a perfect blend of history, culture, and viticulture, making it an essential pilgrimage for every wine lover. From its legendary past to its vibrant present, Meursault continues to pour its soul into each bottle, inviting all to explore its depths.